Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video. Have you ever wished that you could hide temporarily the icons from your desktop? Or maybe you've hidden or don't know that you've hidden the icons and you're wondering where they are? Well, there's a cool feature that's very easy to implement if you want to hide your icons. So say, when I do videos, for example, sometimes I want to hide all of this because the way I use my desktop is for a lot of people a mess, but for me it's a logical way of working. But you do a video, it's like, yeah, maybe I want to have that gone from my desktop. So you simply right click anywhere on your desktop. In that contextual menu you have view. In view, look at the bottom, show desktop icons, just click there. You now hidden your desktop icons. They're still there, they haven't gone anywhere. They're still available even if you go through the File Explorer, for example, and you click desktop. You'll see that they are here. They are available. It's just that they are hidden from view from the desktop. And you want them back, same procedure, right click on your desktop, view, and just put the check mark back to show desktop icons. It's as easy as that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.